Hi there. On today's episode of Justin and Chill, we're going to be working out. And today is leg day.
So now that everyone's awake, my name is Justin Taite, and I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. In lieu of all the personal trainers out there, I'm going to be standing like that. My fingertips like this. I don't know why they do it. I think it's for this. You don't realize that in between takes, I'm doing chin-ups. Many of you may be frustrated or upset because this quarantine has kept you cooped up inside and you can't go to the gym. I myself used to go to the gym 4 days a week. I needed an alternative. A water bottle is 16.9 ounces and 16.9 ounces is 1 pound. Came up with a little routine that's kind of kept me going for the past, over a month now, which means I can have donuts in the morning again. Yes! Okay, so legs suck, okay? But they're the entire lower half of your body, right? If you want lower abs, if you want, a nice legs, that's also why I do them first. So I don't have to think about them for the rest of the week. And that's what we're doing today. It's important that you have your feet shoulder width apart, straight down, butt out. You gotta shove your butt straight out there. Okay? It's gonna feel really weird and uncomfortable, but it's the way to go. Down like this, right? Think, boom, like that. Okay? Then grab it right here. Okay? Right, just like that. You're gonna bring it up like this. All right. Now we're gonna start to do our sets. These are called Hungarian leg splits, okay? So the idea is that we come down like this, right? Now I like lining up first, like this, so that I know my leg is straight. You're gonna put your foot up on the edge of your bed or your couch or whatever, okay? And we're coming up. And we're gonna come up like this, okay? We're gonna do it with both legs. We're gonna do it with both legs. We're gonna do, how many of these am I doing? I'll take your backpack. Oh, this guy, right on here. I knew you guys are gonna hate me for this one, but we're gonna do abs. And for this, we're gonna need our phones. So the first one is we're gonna do, okay? So it's not this, it's not this, it's hold, boom, like that. The next one we're gonna do is like this, okay? The next one after that is on the side, like Okay, now you can either do it with your arm up like this, or you can bring your arm down and you can do crunches. That. Okay? We're gonna do both sides. This side as well. Like this, like this. Okay? Last couple. It's gonna be like this. Alright, we come back, I put my hands here. Alright, head up. Keep your legs up like this. And we're going like that. Okay? And you're just gonna breathe and we're just gonna do them very slowly. The next one after this is these guys. Same basic form, except for now we're doing straight leg. Okay? And after that, and this is so important, and nobody does this, if you're working your core, it means you also have to work that part. So we do that, and we get down right here like this, put our arms back like that, and then come up with your legs and your arms, and you can hold it, and then you come down. Come up, and then come down. Come up, and then come down. That's what we're doing. All right, everybody get your stopwatches ready. We're gonna do 30 seconds, then we're gonna do 10 seconds off. And then 30 seconds, and then 10 seconds off. Just do them slowly and take your time, okay? Ooh. All right, ready, go. Next one. Getting close. Over. So there you have it. See, it's not too crazy. If this is just about the discipline, we're just trying to pound that discipline. If you stick to this, by the time the gym's open, you are gonna be good to go, baby. Okay. Dude, shut up. Great work today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow when we're doing back. First thing in the morning, baby. I'm out.